Now your wiring is complete, we now need to set the limits on your door. By setting the limits, your door will automatically stop when reaching the fully open and fully closed position. Follow the instructions to firstly set the top limit and secondly the bottom limit. On the head of the motor, you will see two coloured toggles. Refer to the instructions for your colour toggles and choose the correct one for the top limit and then the correct one to set the bottom limit. You will also see a plus and a minus next to each toggle. As per the instructions, this is the direction you need to turn towards in increments of 5. When you have turned the toggle as per instructions, to see if this adjustment is correct, bring the door up or down a little and see if the curtain stops in the desired position. Make sure you are near the control panel to stop the door in the event this goes too high or too low.